Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this full lace braided wig. So if you find this video entertaining or interesting, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So a client of mine sent me this photo. She wanted this full lace wig, and this is how it looked. So also just comment down below if you love this style, guys.
I love the pain. It sets me free.
It's a full lace wig, so if you wear this wig after some time, you can just undo it and put it in a different style, or just wear it as a wig. I'm going to sew an elastic band on it just to make it more secure, but it has an adjustable strap at the back, and this is how it looks. So I'm not going to apply any product on it. I'm just going to cut the baby hair. But then for the white part that you see right here, for if you want to make it look more natural, just apply some eye pencil and foundation to make the wig blend well with your complexion. So again, for this white part, just apply some eye pencil and foundation.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, said myself that this is the last. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. Cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, said myself that this is the last. It's wrong, I can't make right.
Again guys, just comment down below if you love this style, and then also if you're interested in any of my wigs, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send them to you. See you in my next video. Bye.